Welcome back to another update of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and get creative together. Today's prompt is music for day 12. I'm sorry, I'm a bit behind on the posting of the videos. I got a bit stress with my computer equipment when it comes to editing at the moment, and a lot of stuff going on parallel in life. We'll talk about that maybe soon, but just, life got a bit crazy, and then you don't have the time to fight your computer for like 6 hours a day to get a video up, so sorry. I hope I did try to troubleshoot it now, and I hope I can now get this out. We will see. The annoying part is Naomi will know it when I start the rendering process later down the line. But I tried to keep up with the creation process at least, so hopefully when I figure out the editing problems, then I will be able to catch up very, very soon. It's so nice to see all your beautiful creations along the way, and hopefully I can share my entries for the days very, very soon. Yeah, it got a bit hectic, kind of, and I don't know. I feel like maybe my computer is a bit too old now for the longer videos and more footage, but on the other hand, I feel like wasn't 2020 like yesterday when I got it, or I got it in 2021, but it's a computer from 2020, so kind of 6 years old already. But I kind of don't want to have to get a new one. I feel like my other one I had for 10 years and it was fine until the motherboard was cooked and it wasn't, but yeah, I don't know. I have to see if I can somehow optimize this situation, because I really need video editing for my work and everything, so I have to find a solution for that. But anyways, let's get into the process for day 12 and the prompt of music. I did decide to make a little kind of journaling card here with a double exposure photo I took on a trip last month. I really love how this one turned out. I did take a photo of some street art and made the double exposure with a different view of the street. And I feel like double exposures are kind of a fun way to incorporate something more into a photography and make it a bit more, would feel like art for me. And I absolutely love to experiment with those. I'm kind of doing double exposure since over 10 years now, and I'm so happy that my new digital camera can do them too. But also, I feel like when I make those kind of double exposure or general photos with a digital device, I sometimes don't do something with the photos later down the line. So I really want to get myself into doing something with my photography more often, and I thought printing out a few pictures for my journals could be a good starting point to just not use random photos I found somewhere and just use my own photography in those kind of spreads. And I'm really, really happy how this kind of journal card turned out. Now I decided to I first realized that I had turned it upside down, so here I'm trying to fix that. And then I'm going to add my kind of favorite playlist, just some of my absolute favorite songs to remember, and make a little live playlist. I thought that would fit very well for the prompt of music. I'm super happy with how today's spread turned out. I hope you enjoyed the creative process as well. Sorry for the long wait, and thanks so much for being patient with me. And I really hope you will see this video very soon, and then we can play a bit of catch up for the Junk Journal July Challenge. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below.